But the thing is that limitation is super valuable to have, because if you build yourself a box to work in, you can actually get some results done inside that box. But if you have like the entire universe to try things out in, you're never gonna accomplish anything. So like, instead of trying to make the next unique song that nobody's gonna like because it's like too off the wall and doesn't follow any traditional structures that people, because ultimately you're making the music for the people that are used to listening to a similar style that you're making, you have to have some form of limitation inside that you're working within, so that it makes sense for the consumer that's going to then consume that music. If you just want to make weird music that's completely avant-garde every way, I wouldn't expect a big audience. But on the flip side, maybe you can find the smallest viable audience for that weird music. So I still think there's a lot of there's a lot of importance in creating yourself a framework or using limitations to achieve a goal. Instead of trying to write a song that's like all over the place, just write 5 songs that have maybe 5 different song structures that are still slightly traditional based on what actually is popular. Because if you're trying to get popular, or trying to build a career, or trying to fit into an industry, you have to follow some of the rules. You can maybe bring your unique perspective on those rules, but you have to follow some of the structure.